In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and insert audio recording file in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an audio clip on a slide and position it so it looks and sounds just the way you want. First, open your presentation and head to the specific slide where you want the audio to play. It's important to land on the correct slide before you add anything, because the audio you insert will be anchored to that slide. If you need to move it later, you can, but starting on the right slide keeps things simple. Next, look to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Audio from the drop-down. This opens a file picker dialog that connects directly to your Google Drive. The audio you plan to use should already be saved in Drive, so this step assumes you've uploaded your recording beforehand. If you organize your files in folders, take a moment to navigate to the exact location where that audio lives. Clear file names really help here, especially if you maintain multiple versions of the same recording. Once you've found the audio file you want, select it in the list. You'll see a preview name and details on the right, which is a good chance to double-check you've picked the correct track. When you're confident, click Select, sometimes labeled Insert, to place it onto your slide. You'll now see a speaker icon appear on the slide. That icon represents your audio clip. You can click and drag it to position it anywhere you like. Some people prefer it near the bottom corner to keep the layout clean, while others place it close to the content it relates to. To change its size, drag a corner handle inward or outward. Resizing won't affect the sound itself. It just changes how prominent the icon looks during editing and presenting. If you plan to share your presentation, remember that the audio file still lives in your Google Drive. Make sure it's stored in a location and with permissions that allow your audience to hear it when they view the slides. Also, consider using a consistent naming system for your audio files, something like Topic Date Version, so it's easy to update or replace recordings later. That's all you need to create a polished slide with audio. You went to the slide, inserted the audio from Drive, selected your file, and positioned the speaker icon exactly where you want it. Keep this process in mind the next time you want to add voiceovers, music, or sound effects to elevate your presentation.